Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out. $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back, everybody. If you like, go ahead and leave some comments down below about some questions you might want me to answer. And also, do not miss out at the end of this video. I'll be doing some price prediction, some technical analysis, and showing you guys some of the indicators that I use on my channel to help me indicate and try to predict which way the price is moving. But first, we're going to dive into this article and see what we got going on. We got Novogratz. We are not going to get a soft landing, okay? We got data from Cointelegraph Market Pro on TradingView show BTC USD hitting 35,268 on Bitstamp, bringing 3-day losses to about 12%. U.S. stocks, which has seen a bloody May 5th, were in no mood for a relief rally as the S&P and Nasdaq 100 fell under 1%, 0.85% respectively. Okay, so the Nasdaq sell-off isn't over. Mike Novogratz, CEO of cryptocurrency merchant Bank Galaxy Digital, told CNBC, okay, commenting on the Federal Reserve plans for a soft quote-unquote landing when it came to bringing inflation down to target. Novogratz warned that such a scenario would not happen. On Bitcoin, meanwhile, comparisons were emerging between spot price action now and the same time last year. Okay, so we're gonna have some scenarios playing out, and like I said, at the end of this video, I'm gonna go over some price prediction. We're gonna go over some charts, and also take this time to leave some comments down below where you guys can ask me some questions. Make sure that bell notification is lit up. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys hit the like button, and and we'll carry on right now. Looks like BTC has flipped the 38,000 level into a new resistance. Popular trader and analyst Rec Capital told Twitter followers, okay, which now means BTC has confirmed a return to the 28,038 range, which was home to consolidation in the first quarter and second quarter. Okay, and these ranges are honestly realistic. I'm calling more of 32,000, but like I said, at the end of this video, we're gonna see why. A further tweet flagged BTC USD approaching a long-term support range, one which functioned as a second of two important weekly chart supports, along with a now lost higher low. And we got a picture of that, which I really appreciate right here. Shout out to Rec Capital right here. And this is that higher low, right? Where we had this nonstop making supports right here. We're working our way up, and boom, we lost it right there. So we got in trouble right there, that's for sure. So now we're gonna scroll down, see what else we got right here. So now he's talking 31,500, which is close to the range that I was talking about. 36,300, 37,600. But obviously these are the ranges that we're playing in right now. Warning over altcoin market cap. Okay, so that's the bottom of this page. Pretty insightful, right? But of course, we're going to get to these price predictions. I'm going to let you guys know what I think, okay? And what's going on. And these things can play out different ways. And this was drawn up. If you guys go check out my last video, I know the support and resistance lines, the ones going across, horizontal, might be in the way right now. But I drew this arrow last week. We see it right here. This was last week already. And I said we were coming to this cross right here where, we could have a breakout and then go back to test. But if we didn't, we were going to test the $32,917. The numbers that I give you guys are not made up. These are numbers that we hit on ourselves. So the exact number is 32,917, and that's what it's looking like. Unfortunately, that's not a range that none of us want to see. I spoke to some buddies. I was in some voice chats and whatnot like that. Those are prices that we do not see. But what I will tell you guys, that it's not a price that makes the chart really that unhealthy, to be honest with you guys, because we've hit this spot before. This is a spot that we've not only hit but also recovered. So maybe this is something that we're shaking people out. We're going to get into what some call a range trade, right? Where we're going to consolidate. I don't think Bitcoin's going to break that much lower. Of course, markets can get shaken out. There's news that can come out and shake it down past 32,000. But with this huge crypto adoption happening, little by little, more and more, like Robinhood allowing more crypto trading, and they're like behind the scenes, if you read in between the lines, there's a lot of gates being open. Little by little, these gates are being open, and they're letting the big players go ahead and step in. But I would definitely be cautious, and I would be looking at these ranges as of $32,917, and then we would have to break that 39,751, which I was telling everybody in some of my other videos that we would have to break back above 40,000. So this is something that we're going to keep an eye on. The reason I believe that we'll consolidate and then break back up is because of the indicators that we use here, right? This is something that if you guys get my my money bag alerts, you're going to be learning, but also this technical analysis course is going to be ramped up to the next level. You guys do not want to miss out on money bags. This is going to be huge, where I will have breakdowns on all these indicators and be able to explain why this right here, and we're going to give you a teaser, is this MFI. It's been oversold 2 times. This is on the daily chart. That's substantially oversold. Okay, so, you know, granted it was not oversold here, but last time we did that scenario, we rocked all the way back up and we tested back up at that 47. We're going to go ahead and mark that test as well, because that's something that we're going to have to test again later on. So that test is at 48,189, okay? So we can see that from right here, from that oversold, we have this one oversold. We rocked all the way back up to this oversold, back up to overbought. And even right here, this oversold, when we rocked down to this price, which was about 33,000, we had enough momentum to go right back up to 48,000. Okay, so that tells you a lot right there. And seeing that, you know, we're oversold substantially on the MACD, right? Considering all this oversoldness, we have yet to, let's put this over, we have yet to kind of compensate for that on the top side, right? All this oversoldness, we have yet to compensate on that on the top side. And also the same goes for this MFI. We have yet to ride above and get it overbought. So that's why I think we're going to be getting some people shooken out. Can we break lower? Yes, because people can panic sell and that can cause the markets to get shooken up. But we're going to keep an eye on it. We have this range that we called above, which is that 34,322, where that tap might most likely happen. I would like to see that tap, make that a new support, and we'll start this new channel between here and right there, which is 39,751, and we'll start writing a new channel between 34,000 and 39,000. So there's going to be that range right in between here, going up and down right here, because we're oversold and we need to rock up to the top side again. So we're already oversold, and we're going to do some consolidation rocking up, and then we'll have these tests within this 39,000 and that 34,400 and some. All right, so if you guys want to learn more, definitely tap in with me. At CryptoRico9 is my Telegram. My Twitter is at CryptoRico12. If you guys want to learn more about technical analysis, if you guys just want to know about my money bag alerts like that, you guys can know my calls, what cryptos I'm jumping in and what cryptos I'm jumping in and out of. Okay, so continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.